Pairing with Google Home. If you are going to be linking your Leona Smart System to your Google Home system, we highly recommend setting up the link before adding any devices to your Leona Smart app so that you can take advantage of the quick pairing feature as you add devices. To start the process, first ensure that your Google Home has been completely set up per manufacturer instructions. Once your Google Home app and devices have been set up, you can start linking it to Leona Smart. Tap the plus sign in the top left-hand corner of the Google Home app and select Set Up Device and then Works with Google. Once the search bar appears, search for Leona Smart and select that action. At that point, you will be prompted to log into your Leona Smart app through the Google Home app. Then, authorize Google to access your Leona Smart devices by clicking Authorize. Once Google has authorized the account link, the linking process is complete. Now, when you add your devices to your Leona Smart app, as shown in the app and device setup video, your devices will automatically pair with Google Home, and you can begin controlling them right away without any additional steps.